As the global climate problem worsens, we find ourselves at a critical juncture. Scientists and experts warn that we are on the verge of a key warming threshold in the next 5 years, which may have far-reaching effects on our planet. Human activities, notably the use of fossil fuels, have considerably boosted greenhouse gas emissions, trapping heat in our atmosphere during the last century. As a consequence, our planet's temperature has been constantly rising. If we do not take urgent action, global temperatures may rise above a critical level. Droughts are becoming more frequent and intense, which is one of the most catastrophic effects of climate change. Rising temperatures and altered precipitation patterns cause extended dry spells, depleting water supplies and negatively harming agriculture, ecosystems, and societies that rely on them. Storms and hurricanes are becoming more intense and frequent as a result of climate change. Warmer oceans exacerbate severe weather events, leading to greater wind speeds, heavier rainfall, and an increased danger of storm surges and floods. These effects are more severe in coastal locations with vulnerable populations. Because of climate change, wildfires have become a major threat. Rising temperatures and drier weather foster excellent circumstances for wildfires to spread quickly and become more difficult to control. These flames ruin ecosystems, demolish houses, and endanger human health. As a consequence of global warming, heat waves are becoming more common and powerful. Extreme heat episodes endanger vulnerable people, resulting in heat-related diseases and deaths. They also put a burden on infrastructure, raise energy consumption, and have an effect on agriculture and biodiversity. According to scientific studies, if we exceed the crucial warming barrier in the next 5 years, the effects will be far-reaching. The average global temperature will continue to increase, further disrupting our climate system and increasing the dangers of severe weather occurrences. In addition to these obstacles, scientists are keeping a tight eye on El Niño, which is expected to arrive between now and July and stay until 2024. Scientists and experts have issued a warning, demanding rapid action to control global warming and avoid crossing the crucial barrier. They stress the significance of lowering greenhouse gas emissions, shifting to renewable energy sources, and incorporating sustainable practices into all aspects of our lives. While the situation may seem dire, it is important to realize that there is still hope. We have the ability to reduce climate change's consequences and strive toward a more sustainable future. We can make a substantial difference in reducing climate change and protecting our world for future generations if we work together. The next 5 years will be critical. It's time to take collective action, raise awareness, and demand real change. We may contribute to a more sustainable and resilient future by being informed, participating in dialogues, and taking individual and group action. As we near the end of our discussion on the critical warming threshold over the next 5 years, we urge you to stay informed, participate in discussions, and take action. Our planet's future is dependent on the decisions we make now. Let us work together to prevent climate change and create a better planet. Let us continue to be the change we want to see until the next time. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video about the critical warming threshold and its implications for the next 5 years. We hope you find the material useful and stimulating. If you enjoyed the video, please consider subscribing to our channel, like, and share to stay up to date on the newest videos.